Hello and welcome to IVMS. First, enter your registered email and password on the login page. After you click Login, you'll be taken to the home screen. To upload a document, click the camera button at the bottom left of the screen. The camera will open, take a picture and press OK. Your document will be uploaded to the current date folder. If you want to store the document by party or a different date, open the left panel by clicking the top left of the screen. Go to Settings and toggle on the Select Date/Parties on Upload tab. This is permanent setting and you need not do it again and again. Now, when you take a picture and press OK, a new panel will appear allowing you to select the party name and date of the document. Choose the name and date, and click Upload. The document will be saved to the selected date. In the File Manager, navigate by year, then month, and then date to find your uploaded files. To enable other users like partners, staff, or accountants to access your data, go to Add User, enter the registered user's email ID, and their details will appear. Appoint the user. And you're done. Next, go to the Permissions tab and set the desired permissions for the user. As an accountant, when they log into their account, your company will be listed on their home page. They select your company, and your data appears on their dashboard. In the File Manager, the accountant can view the uploaded files. These files will show as pending in the Report section. As the accountant makes entries in the accounting software, it will mark the document as entered, and you can see the status update in real time on your mobile app. Thank you for choosing IVMS. Enjoy seamless document management.